Here's an update from the 41 Action Weather Center. Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. Rainfall, finally, widespread, 93 hundredths at KCI, over an inch in Olathe. Now officially, 93 hundredths at KCI means it's the wettest day since the 7th of October. All we needed was 68 hundredths to beat that. If it's over an inch, it'll be the wettest day since the 13th of September. Or let's put it this way, the first time we've had at least an inch in one day since the 13th of September. I believe we had 1.47 at that time, so we'll see if we can beat that. Now, all of a sudden, we have a threat for severe weather. There is a slight risk of severe weather up to I-70 and an enhanced slight risk down in southern Missouri. The main threats would be large hail and possibly a tornado or two if we can warm up and if we can, and if the conditions come out just right. It may end up being further south. We'll just have to see how this evolves. But the last couple of days, we thought the warmer air would be well to the south, and that is not the case. It's creeping northward as we've been tracking a potent storm system coming in out of the southwest United States, brought some great rain to the winter wheat areas and still is doing so. Some great rain out there, and you just can't beat it. The winter wheat areas really need it. As of about 10:30 in the morning, a band of rain and thunderstorms is moving through the city. But after that, we're going to get a little bit of a break until later on. We'll be watching in southeast Kansas for the chance of a development of some new thunderstorms. We're going to look at a power cast here in just a second with some pretty heavy downpours. This may take KCI over an inch here in the next few minutes, so that is some good news. Now, at the surface, we have a surface low northwest of Tulsa and a warm front into southeast Kansas. As I said, it looked like this was going to stay primarily to the south. The warmer air was going to stay to the south, well to the south, and not come any further north. But there are some signs that this is going to try to creep up towards I-70, and if this warm front surface low gets close enough, we could have some severe thunderstorms. It does look like we'll have some thunderstorms this afternoon and into the evening, but will they be severe? It just depends how warm we get and where that surface low sets up. Because our latest power cast at 3 p.m. shows more showers and thunderstorms. These not necessarily would be severe, but you see they kind of pulse up, and they could have some large hail. And again, the warmer it is, we could have a tornado or two because there is a lot of turning, a lot of wind shear in the atmosphere. So at 5 p.m., we'll be watching this closely. Again, are these just regular showers and thunderstorms, or are they severe? The ones further to the southeast have a better chance of being severe. And then, after about 7 or 8 o'clock, it moves off. That's it. And we might have a few more showers and thunderstorms overnight. And then, as we go towards Thursday, the calm ahead of the storm, all that rain out in central Kansas may likely move in. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. But we could have more scattered thunderstorms overnight. But after dark, I don't think they would be severe. We'll lose the heat. So here is your weather timeline. Rain and thunderstorms move north now to 3 p.m. And then from 3 to 8 p.m., we got to watch for the severe thunderstorms. Even though it's only in the 50s and 60s, a lot of turning in the atmosphere. And again, if it's more in the 50s, not as severe. More towards the 60s, we could have a problem. And then as we go 8 p.m. to midnight, the thunderstorms will exit. But we could still have a few around, and it'll be mostly cloudy. And here's a quick look at the 7-day forecast. That colder rain tomorrow. There may be another system Saturday night and Sunday. Have a great rest of your night and day.